What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am back once again, and I'm here covering Pepe. Pepe has been making a lot of noise recently. A lot of news going on for Pepe. You guys saw CNBC recently mention Pepe that we covered in the previous video, and now we have KuCoin also mentioning Pepe. Top tier one exchange in the space. KuCoin looks like they're bullish on Pepe, man, and it's great to see. Overall, people aren't very happy with the price action for Pepe. A lot of projects are cooling off right now. A lot of alts are cooling off. Pepe is one of them, but I still think long term this will be the meme. This will be the meme that is the biggest meme sender, right? Obviously, right now it's in that consolidation phase. Eventually it's gonna get out of it because again, this is the top 3 biggest meme coin in the space, right? If you search by categories, you'll see Pepe's number 3, and eventually there's gonna be a huge time where meme coins start exploding once again, because we know retail investors just love to get into meme coins. We know they do, right? There's no new money in the space right now. $1.16 trillion in the space. When you see that number starts, when that number 2x's or 3x's, I'm telling you guys, just check back on this video when that number 2 to 3x's, the 2 to 3 trillion dollars, right? When the market gets up, that total crypto market gets to those levels, right? Take a look back and see where the Pepe price is at when that starts to happen, right? Again, I wouldn't fade Pepe, really wouldn't, man. Some exposure to this meme, I think it's gonna do very well in the future, right? Market cap for Pepe is $461 million in market cap, $52 million in 24-hour trade volume. You love to see it, man. Nice trade volume. The more it retraces down, the better it is, honestly, because guess what? All the people that didn't get a nice entry on Pepe, eventually they will be, man. If it comes back down to like 200 to 300 mil market cap flat, even 100 mil, like back down here, these levels down here, oh my goodness, that's gonna be such a great buying opportunity. I don't think it's gonna fall that far, but we'll see. Napoleon, mega bearish behavior right now, could fall at any second, even when BTC is rising. Pepe keeps falling, be careful. We're gonna go through some more of that, but let's hop right into KuCoin, see what they got for what I was telling you guys about from the title. Top 5 coins in weekly search popularity. Now KuCoin doesn't typically do this, right? 2.5 mil followers on X or Twitter, and look at this, man. Number 4 most search project is Pepe, right? Most popularity, guys, and this is hashtag KuCoin top 5, right? They're giving awareness to Pepe and obviously the other 2 biggest memes in the space, right? But look at that. This is, you see what has the most popularity? WorldCoin, which is a brand new project. Litecoin, because probably because of the Litecoin halving that recently took place. But what are the other 3 projects? The top 3 meme coins. I'm telling you guys, I will stick with my thesis that Pepe will go bonkers because retail investors love meme coins, and it's gonna absolutely crush it in the future. It is just a meme coin for having fun, not taking things too seriously in the space, which we often always do. And again, it is a $400 million asset project, right? The community is so very active. There's very strong community with Pepe. There's always constant memes being created, constant awareness being spread. I really do think, like I said, it's gonna get to a point where TV shows mentioning Pepe, top of the TradFi markets, just like how they were mentioning Doge constantly. They're gonna mention Pepe constantly. We already saw that with the previous news article where Pepe was mentioned in the news article, and it will just continuously, it will be a continuous thing, right? And it will just cascade. It's gonna be a snowball effect buildings. It's gonna just get bigger and bigger, that awareness. Then you're gonna see Pepe on Coinbase, Pepe on Robinhood, just huge retail FOMO like we've never seen, similar to what happened with Doge and Shiba Inu. And I'm still gonna be calling that, you know, I have full conviction that's what's going to happen, right? So you know, few people are bearish. Well, people are bearish right now with the price action. True shot, GG boys, probably not going up for a min because BTC looks like it's gonna go to 28k and stay there for a bit. You know, very understandable. It is following the Bitcoin price action. We could see that it is, Pepe is in a falling wedge pattern right here, and whenever that falling wedge completes, it comes down to that support zone, and then we could potentially see that breakout. This is from the Crypto Nuclear. Nice charting from Crypto Nuclear, I will say. Your Goldman, Pepe will pump on this days. You can open long and calm. Definitely don't take financial advice from CMC replies. But Zhao Min, looking for the people's continued plunge in August, negative 100%. I would believe it will be reached soon. I don't think we're gonna get a huge drop in Pepe. The lowest market cap I expect it to come down to before it, you know, finishes that consolidation is maybe around 300 to 200 mil market cap, around that range, just like back here, right? The market cap it dropped to back here was around 370, so it might drop to 250 to 300 if it keeps retracing, guys. But I don't know if it's gonna get all the way down to 100 mil market cap or lower. I really don't see that. I really don't see that. I just see consolidation. There's too much whales in Pepe, too much Ethereum whales, just like Shiba, man. There's just so much Ethereum whales in Shiba and Pepe. Like I think it's gonna find a support and just stay there. It's from Trader Tim. Pepe, I still think there it needs this demand, but we will also keep an eye on the structure. So he thinks it comes down to that 1141. Are we already there? Yeah, we're pretty much almost there, man. Right where his target is at, that 001 mark, right? And then it consolidates from there before it starts moving up again. Kenobi, anyone can spin up a L1 blockchain in 5 minutes. If no one uses it, the native tokens are worthless. That is indeed fact. There's so many L1 blockchains that no one uses, and you just create a ghost chain, pretty much. Ghost chain meaning, you know, it's a ghost town on your blockchain, right? Pepe doesn't need a blockchain or any other utility. It simply needs to exist. Anyone telling you otherwise is selling something. Don't believe me, check out Shibarium, man. Like I said, man, the top two memes in the space, I would say Doge and Shib. Yes, they will have a pump again, sure, but I think a lot of people got burned with Doge and Shiba, so they want something new, they want something fresh, and Pepe is that project. Captain Pepe, yes, you want to buy more Pepe. Pepe General, friendly reminder to touch grass today, friend. Again, this is what the Pepe coin is all. It's about the memes. It's about the iconic memes, just how iconic the Pepe character is. Mad Fury has no issues with the Pepe character being a top meme coin in the space. I'm sure he made so much more money and got so much more awareness because of it, right? But yeah, this is what it's all about, the memes, man. Again, right here from Wellmax, here are some Pepe memes I made. Pepe Army, share your favorite memes below. Right, Pepe is king, we run the internet. Oh my gosh. Holders are going up, and that again, that's really it's what it's all about. Pepe go fast. Robin Hood list Pepe. Oh my gosh, that is that is a sight right there. That is a sight. But yeah, that's what it's really all about, man. That's some nice memes right there. It's all about the memeing, man. It's all about the memeing. It's all about you know, having fun. That's what it's all about. Pepe to 01. Let's go. Pepe on Robin Hood now. I'm telling you, like, peak bull market, that's when you're gonna see these crazy things start to happen, just like what happened before. History doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme, right? So in this case, history doesn't always repeat itself. Shiba already got that huge explosion, Robinhood listing, all of that in the last cycle, right? And in this cycle, this is where the rhyming comes in for you know, the saying history doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme. This time around, Pepe is the one that's gonna get that Robinhood listing, Coinbase, you know, all other top listings, right? And you know, all of the TikToks being created about Pepe, all of the influencers making videos, all of you know, normie people I would say normie people outside of crypto will be saying Pepe to the moon, Pepe to the moon, right? That's what I see in the future for Pepe, guys. The Pepe meme is just too iconic. It's just, you know, so known by everyone. It's so known, man. It's like celebrity status, right? Everyone knows, like Michael Jackson, Rihanna, right? Celebrity status. That's how big the Pepe meme is. And yeah, going into the bull market, I think it's gonna do some nice numbers, man. So guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views. Pepe fam, share this video all over social media. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate the support. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you in the next one.